The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Good Day Kansas, continuing here in West Wichita at 13th and Tyler at this beautiful Stutzman's Garden Center today with Ben. Ben, it's always a pleasure to be with you.
Always a pleasure having you.
Yes,
and
I feel
thank
like
you
I'm
for being
dressed
here.
like
you
a
know,
flower today,
look at this.
right?
Look
We
at
kinda
this. You match. You know,
so vibrant.
Absolutely. We talk a lot about genetics and our focus on the summertime with heat-loving plants, and of course Vink is a prime example of that. You know, Bree, we get a lot of questions at our stores right now. You know, we've been seeing triple digits.
Oh my gosh,
and it's like,
yes.
how do your plants look so good? And our staff likes to kind of joke with all that, you know, and say we have a real secret. It's called water.
Yeah.
But
That's
no,
important.
really, it truly is plants that are designed that can really handle our summer heat. It's not that they wouldn't be good in the spring, but when it is this hot, they can handle it better in the process of planting or on your patio or whatever. So yeah, I just like to just feature, you know, we've got hanging baskets with some of this material in it, and combination planters. And you know, sometimes you have somebody that's gone on a weekend and you thought you had a neighbor take care of your things or water. Come home, maybe not so much. It's just a quick fix, a quick replacement, and running a special on our patio planters and hanging baskets of equal size and value. You can mix and match either way you want to go.
Great.
Buy two, get one free.
Wow.
And but just really highlighting, you know, we're on a day today, as we're shooting, we're looking at triple digits today. And I'd say, yes, our stores do an amazing job of taking care of things, but it really has a lot to do with the type of plant material that we have this time of the year.
Yeah, you guys know Kansas.
We
You
know
know
Kansas.
what people
We
are
live
gonna
it.
be putting outside. But also I want to highlight a little bit about your soil here.
Okay.
Your soil really helps as well keep these plants successful.
You know, we've used this soil now for, oh goodness, 25 plus years. Our own private label, and what we have in our own private label is the same formula that we use in our production.
Exactly.
And one of the components in that is composted pine bark, and that process of composting it actually creates a suppressant for disease and things like that, plus the fact it holds moisture well and really does give the consumer great success.
Yeah, this is just one example. You have so many beautiful, bright, vibrant plants all across your garden centers. How can people find more information?
Always Stutzmans.com, or if you have a question on something, you may be out on a walk or something, you want to take a picture, something like, what is that?
Yeah.
Send it into questions@Stutzmans.com. Jason French, who does our Stutzmans Home and Garden Show every Saturday on radio, will get right back with you and identify that. He's amazing at that.
Oh my gosh, he is such a great asset. That is so fantastic. So are you, Ben. Thanks for having us today.
Thanks for being here.
Yeah.
Love it.
Make sure to check out your local Stutzman's Garden Center this season. More of Good Day Kansas coming up next.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
We would like to say thank you to everyone who has shared and enjoyed the healthy lifestyle of gardening with us. Hi, this is Ben Miller. It's still Stutzman season. It's time to add or freshen up with our beautiful heat-loving summer plants that are now in stock at all our garden centers. These plants will pair perfectly with the planted flowers or enjoy them as stunning patio planters or hanging baskets. Just arrived, gorgeous tropical houseplants plus cactus plants for your patio or home. Visit one of our garden centers or find us on Facebook or Stutzmans.com.
A Stutzman's greenhouse, everything's green with us.